Hey, how you doing? Austin here. In this video, we're going to talk about Cardano, but we're specifically going to talk about Cardano. Is it a good buy? Should you buy now? Should you wait? If you're on the sidelines trying to figure out if you should put money into it and or if you're thinking about adding to your position, this is a video for you. As always, this video is for entertainment purposes only. Thank you for your support of myself, my channel, my videos. I really appreciate you. I got to give you a little bit of an advertisement. By the way, this is just going to be my talking head. We're going to have a conversation. In the description below, as well as in the top pinned comment below, you'll see a link to my Patreon group. Go check that out. If you want more access to me, if you want me to help you with your portfolio, give you some guidance, get access to my portfolios, get access to weekly trade alerts, get access to a Discord private community. Man, this is a lot of cool stuff. Check it out. If that's for you. By the way, you can join and cancel at any time. If you just want more Austin, come on down. Who doesn't want more Austin? Come on. Everybody does. I'm kidding. All right. So check it out. It's in the description. Link below. All right. So let's talk about Cardano. Cardano has absolutely been on a tear recently, crushing it. Currently trading in the $2 range, up 15+%, 24-hour, up 60, 70% percent. Say it right, Austin. In the last 7 days, crushing it. Why is it going up? Well, unless you've been sleeping under a rock, or how do you sleep under a rock? Unless you've been sleeping, man, I'm saying some weird stuff today. Unless you've been sleeping in a cave under a rock, maybe there you go. You probably did. Then you have to know that smart contracts are coming to Cardano. I did a video. It's here on my channel if you want to go check it out, where the release date was announced. It is September 12th. I'll save you having to go watch the video. September 12th is the hard fork for the smart contract implementation into the Cardano world. And that is driving Cardano, period. Smart contracts are something that have been coming to Cardano for years, been waited on for years. I give Cardano credit. I give the team, Charles Hoskinson and everybody in the team and how they've done it. They've done it. They wanted to make sure they did it right. And they absolutely are getting it right. And you know, this is something they didn't want to screw up. That's really what I'm saying. Okay. And so it's happening. And that's the reason that we've got a massive run up in Cardano ADA right now. Okay. And I get a lot of people messaging me and asking me, especially in my private group and also here on YouTube in the comments, hey Austin, is it too late? Is it too late to get into Cardano if I missed the bus? I would tell you no. You have to look at it from the standpoint of what's right for you. You know, that's kind of hit it. By the way, this is not investment advice, right? Do your own due diligence. Check it out, right? I'm just giving you my opinion here. But I think Cardano has a significant amount of upside opportunity to it. And there are people smarter than me, which there always are, and I acknowledge those people in the room, and they're here on YouTube, and I follow them, and I actually watch some of their videos, and oh my God, Austin, you watch other people's videos? You bet I do. Because there are other people smarter than me creating content here on YouTube. I think I'm okay. I can hang with them. I've got my own little section of the YouTube crypto world, which is awesome. By the way, thank you guys for your support in that regards and giving me a voice in this thing. But where I'm going with this, Austin, make your point, man. Where I'm going with this is that everybody pretty much doesn't blink at the fact that Cardano is going to be a $10 to $15 price point into 2022. That's conservative. All right, at $2, and which depending upon when you're watching this video, at $2 and change, which is kind of where it's at right now in the ballpark. If it goes to 10, that's a 5x. 5x your money. If you bought today, when it went to 10, that's 5x. If you put 1,000 in, 1,000 times 5, 5,000. Don't do math in public. That's a pretty darn good investment. That's reasonable. That's conservative. And Cardano right now is the number 4 ranked top crypto out of all 11,250 or how many there are. It's number 4. Quite possibly will continues to rise like it is. It'll take over the number 3 spot. It will. Cardano ain't going anywhere. That didn't sound good, did it? Cardano ain't going anywhere. Cardano is not going anywhere. That's much better use of English. My English teacher in college and high school probably would have shot me for that statement. It is not going anywhere. It is here to stay. It is going to, and by the way, smart contracts, game changer. Game changer. Much more adoption, much more stuff going to happen with it. I'm not talking well today. Going to happen. Going to happen. Going to happen. Whew, it's been one of those days. All right. Bottom line, I am extremely bullish on Cardano. And I think it is one of the safer bets to put money into in the entire crypto market. It stands right there alongside Ethereum. And oh, by the way, Ethereum is 3,200 and change. And cards on the table, Ethereum is my largest holding. And I own a Cardano. I bought in when it was at $1. Guess what? I'm going to continue to add to my position. I'm going to continue to add at the current levels of where we're at, $2 and change, because I look downstream and I go, it's going to be, I mean, worst case, if it goes to 4, it doubles. 4. I mean, come on. Nobody would even think you were, it could be to 4 next week. Could. I think I'm going to go buy some more Cardano today. I'm talking myself into it. Because that's how strongly I feel about it. It's just that it's that easy. At these price points, at $2 and change, why not? Seriously, right? Why not? So if you're on the outside looking in and you're trying to go, man, should I buy? Should I buy? Oh my God, man. Yeah, okay. It's not a bad buy. If you believe in the downstream opportunity, if you believe it's going to be $10 or $15, do you fundamentally believe that question, or do you believe what the answer to that is? What do you think? If you can answer that question and go, yeah, I think it's going to be 10, 15, then why wouldn't you buy some? If you don't believe in that one, don't buy it. In any scenario, outside looking in, or you're looking to add to your position. I'm obviously in that second part. I'm in that I already own it, and I'm looking to maybe add to my position. Because I think it's a no-brainer. I'm thinking about taking Cardano to my next largest holding behind Ethereum. Why wouldn't I? It's not a bad idea, especially at the price points. I mean, God forbid it go to $20 or $30, which is a possibility. I mean, a lot of cool stuff has to happen. It's just, smart contracts are a game changer. And I think fundamentally you're going to continue to see it go up. We have the September 12th hard deadline. And so what's happening is more and more and more people are becoming aware of it and are starting to go, hey, you know what? I'm going to get into it. I'm going to buy into Cardano. I think there's value here. I think there's long-term sustainability and long-term value. So why wouldn't I do that? It's not a bad idea. It's probably truly, at the end of the day, one of the safer crypto bets there is. Right here, right now, with everything, just on the basis of smart contracts. Not to mention all the additional projects and all the additional things and all the additional cool stuff that will happen after that stuff happens, after all that happens after September 12th. I think that's how big of a deal this is. And I think that's how big this opportunity is. I just believe that this much. But again, do your own due diligence. Run it through your own checks. Run it through your own checks and balances. Check it out yourself. But I'm a fundamental, firm believer in it. And the more and more I look at the downstream opportunity, and I also am going to tell you, I don't know all of it. I mean, a lot of it, I'm digging into it even more every day. But everything I see in the leadership team and everything and how they go about their business, and did you know that Cardano is the largest proof of stake blockchain there is? Did you know that? I didn't. I mean, it makes sense, right? I mean, Ethereum, when Ethereum moves over to proof of stake, it'll be obviously the biggest. But I mean, I knew it, but I didn't like know it in like black and white, until I was reading about it. I'm like, oh yeah, no kidding, that is, right? And so it's just been done the right way. And now with smart contracts, that was kind of the big fundamental piece missing. Well, now that it's coming, and now that it's we got a final hard deadline. By the way, I think that hard deadline is a catalyst that everybody now knows that it's going to continue to go up and up and up and up and up into that hard deadline. So that's how I look at it. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know how you feel about it. As always, I appreciate you. Thank you for your support of myself, my channel, my videos. I'll see you later. Take it easy. Bye.